Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft Store apps on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and that the Microsoft Store can function properly when you open it. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you'll need to access the Microsoft Store application. To do this, navigate to your Start menu, which is the Windows icon located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu, and from there type in Microsoft Store using your keyboard. After typing, hit Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Store window, which is where you'll manage all your app updates. Now, to update your apps, you'll need to locate any installed apps that require an update from the store. If you have many apps installed, you can use the search bar located at the top of the Microsoft Store window to search for specific apps more easily. This makes navigation much faster and helps you find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Once you've located the app you want to update, click on it to access its overview page. This page displays all the important information about the app, including its current version, description, and available actions. Here's where you'll find the update option. On this overview page, you should see the update button where the install button used to be when you first downloaded the app. This button appears whenever a newer version of the app is available and ready to be installed on your system. Go ahead and click on the update button to proceed with the app update. The Microsoft Store will now begin downloading and installing the latest version of the app. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed, this process may take a few moments to complete. The store handles everything automatically in the background, so you don't need to worry about any technical details. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Microsoft Store apps on Windows 11, ensuring you have access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.